Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. Before this, we have discussed the order pairs, Cartesian product of two or more than two sets and relation from set A to set B. Okay. Now today we will discuss the domain, range and codomain of a relation. So let one by one we will discuss these terms. Students, if we have A and B, two non-empty sets, and capital R be a relation from set A to B, then domain of the relation is defined as the set of all first components of order pairs related to relation R. Okay. So mathematically in set builder form it can be written as domain of relation R from set A to B is defined as the set of all first component of order pair xy belongs to R such that x belongs to A for some element y belongs to B. It means domain of any relation from set A to B is the set of all first components of order pair which belongs to relation R. Okay. Similarly, the range of the relation from set A to B are the set of all second component of all order pairs which belongs to relation R for some x belongs to A. It means set of all elements y and y belongs to B. Okay, is said to be range of relation from set A to B. Then codomain of relation R is always the set B itself. Okay. So student, we have a formula here, example here. Let any set is given as 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. These are the element of this set A, and set B is given as 2, 4, 6, 8. Then any relation R from set A to B is 1 less than. Suppose the relation is given as is 1 less than from set A to set B. Okay, then that relation will be just like this, the set of all order pair. You better know that any relation is a subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. This we have already discussed. So is 1 less than, this is a relation from A to B. Then see here, first component will be from set A and second component will be from set B, such that first component will be 1 less than second component. So 1 from A and 2 from B. So 1 is less than 2 by 1. Then similarly 3 is from A and 4 is from B. So another order pair is 3, 4. Then again 5, 6 and then 7, 8. This is a relation from set A to B is 1 less than. Okay. Now we will try to find out the domain of this relation. Domain of this relation will be set of all first component of all order pair. See here, all first components are 1, 3, 5 and 7. The set of these all first component will be the domain of this relation. The domain of this relation will be set of 1, 3, 5, 7. This. Okay. Now range of this relation will be set of all second component of order pairs belongs to R. So elements which are second component are 2, 4, 6, 8. So set of 2, 4, 6, 8 will be the range of this relation R. Okay. And codomain of any relation will be set itself, and set is already given as B. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And also here 2, 4, 6, 8 is also range of the relation. So here you can say that codomain of any relation is set B itself. And in this particular example, the range of relation is also equal to codomain of relation R. Okay. Now we will do some examples of exercises so that we will clear these all three terms. Okay. Thank you.